Good morning, this is Robin Leach with Lifestyles of the Rich and Famous. Today we take a look at a vehicle purchased by Jason and May Montgomery. They live in Thailand and keep this vehicle exclusively in the States for their use. Let's take a look at this baby. As you can see, this is a 2005 Chevrolet Avalanche, an absolutely loaded vehicle. Let's take a look at this luxurious interior. Ah yes, leather seats, lumbar support, tilt steering, all of the amenities anyone would wish to have. Oh, and now the luxurious back seat area, equally as fine as the front. Installed DVD player for children's amusement and fun, custom installed. Oh yes, let's just take a look inside there. Oh, it is a beauty to behold. And now let's take a look at this engine package. Let's see. Oh, look at the rims, the wheels, they're beautiful. And now the Vortec engine, the heart of this beast. This vehicle has every amenity. Nav system, super stereo, window door locks, all automatic of course. Then we go to the Landau rear, keeping everything protected that everyone would want to keep protected in the back. And a spacious rear end. What a beauty. And I'm sure they'll have many hours of enjoyment when they come to the States to ride in their beautiful Avalanche.